English Grammar Course for Beginners, Udemy Style Lecture Outline. Course Overview. Welcome to the English Grammar for Beginners course. This course is designed for non-native English speakers and learners who are just starting their journey with English. Whether you're looking to improve your grammar for work, study, or everyday conversations, this course will help you build a solid foundation. By the end of this course, you'll be able to form grammatically correct sentences, improve your writing, and speak with confidence. Lecture 1. Introduction to English Grammar. Objectives. Understand the importance of grammar. Get familiar with basic grammar components. What is grammar? Grammar is the set of rules that govern how sentences are constructed in a language. In English, it helps you communicate clearly and correctly. Why is grammar important? Clarity, avoiding misunderstandings. Confidence, speak and write more clearly. Credibility, professional communication requires good grammar. Basic grammar components. 1. Nouns, words that represent people, places, things, or ideas. Example, dog, city, happiness. 2. Verbs, words that describe actions or states. Example, run, is, seem. 3. Adjectives, words that describe or modify nouns. Example, big, blue, fast. 4. Adverbs, words that describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example, quickly, very, well. 5. Pronouns, words that replace nouns. Example, he, they, it. 6. Prepositions, words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words. Example, in, on, at. 7. Conjunctions, words that link clauses, phrases, or words. Example, and, but, because. Lecture 2, Understanding Sentence Structure. Objectives. Learn the basic structure of English sentences. Understand subject, verb, and object roles. Basic sentence structure. In English, a sentence typically follows this pattern. Subject plus verb, object. SVO. Subject S, who or what is doing the action. Example, she subject reads. Verb V, the action or state. Example, she reads. Object O, the thing or person receiving the action. Example, she reads a book. Object. Types of sentences. 1. Declarative sentence, statement. Example, I like pizza. 2. Interrogative sentence, question. Example, do you like pizza? 3. Imperative sentence, command. Example, close the door. 4. Exclamatory sentence, example, wow, that's amazing. Lecture 3, Verb tenses. Objectives. Learn about present, past, and future tenses. Understand how to form sentences using different tenses. Introduction to verb tenses. Tenses tell us when something happens. English has 3 basic tenses. 1. Present tense. Describes actions happening now or regularly. Example, she walks to school every day. 2. Past tense. Describes actions that have already happened. Example, she walked to school yesterday. 3. Future tense. Describes actions that will happen in the future. Example, she will walk to school tomorrow. Continuous, progressive tense. Used to describe ongoing actions. Present continuous, she is walking. Past continuous, she was walking. Future continuous, she will be walking. Lecture 4, Subject-Verb Agreement. Objectives. Understand the rules for matching subjects with verbs. Avoid common mistakes. What is subject-verb agreement? The verb must match the subject in number, singular or plural, singular subject, singular verb. Example, he runs fast. Plural subject, plural verb. Example, they run fast. Key rules. 1 with singular nouns. Example, the cat runs. 2 with plural nouns. Example, the cats run. 3 with pronouns like I and you. Example, I walk, you walk. Lecture 5, Nouns, Pronouns, and Articles. Objectives. Learn different types of nouns and pronouns. Understand when and how to use articles. Nouns. 1. Countable nouns. Things you can count. Example, 1 apple, 2 apples. 2. Uncountable nouns. Things you can't count. Example, water, advice. Sample sentences. Practice sentences. 1. Complete the sentence. I go to the store yesterday. 2. Fill in the blank with the correct article. She is eating apples. 1. Definite article refers to a specific thing. Example, the book on the table. 2. Indefinite articles an refers to any general thing. Example, a book, an apple. Lecture 6, Adjectives and Adverbs. Objectives. Learn how to use adjectives and adverbs to add detail to your sentences. Adjectives describes nouns. They answer questions like what kind or how many. Example, the red car, 5 books. Adverbs describes verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They answer questions like how or when. Example, she runs quickly. He is very tall. Comparative and superlative adjectives. Comparative, comparing two things. Example, she is taller than her sister. Superlative, the highest degree. Example, she is the tallest in the class. Lecture 7, Prepositions and Conjunctions. Objectives, learn how to connect ideas and show relationships between words. Prepositions, show the relationship between nouns and other parts of the sentence. Example, the book is on the table, she went to the store. Conjunctions, link words or groups of words. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. Example, and, but, or. I like apples and bananas. She is tall but shy. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. Example, because, although. I stayed home because it was raining. Lecture 8, Common Grammar Mistakes. Objectives, identify and avoid common grammar mistakes. 1. Mixing up tenses. Incorrect, I eat dinner yesterday. Correct, I ate dinner yesterday. Minor 2, incorrect subject-verb agreement. Incorrect, she walk to school. She walks to school. 3. Overusing articles. Incorrect, to eat an apple. Correct, I want to eat an apple. Final lecture, putting it all together. Objectives, review key concepts learned. Practice with example sentences. Practice sentences. 1. Complete the sentence. I go to the store yesterday. 2. Fill in the blank with the correct article. She is eating apple. 3. Choose the right verb. They are playing football. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing the English Grammar for Beginners course. You now have a strong foundation in English grammar, and with practice, your skills will continue to grow. Final notes. Throughout the course, there will be quizzes, assignments, and practice exercises to reinforce learning. Be sure to check out the downloadable resources and participate in the Q&A forum for any doubts. Happy learning!